Good day, I'm Kodian Barrett and welcome to Frontline Business. The House of Representatives rejected the Banking Services Bill, which sought to regulate bank fees in Jamaica. The bill was tabled by Member of Parliament Fitz Jackson as a private member's motion. When the votes were counted, the motion was defeated by the narrowest of margins. 30 government members voted against the bill to the opposition's 29. Mr. Jackson indicated that there was more to come.
Mr. Speaker, I just wish to advise the House that this bill will be retabled in the next legislative year again, and we're going to keep voting on it until the deposit of funds are saved. Mr. Speaker, it is not over yet. It is not over yet.
Carib Cement says there was a significant improvement in its financial performance in 2017. Revenue rose 5% to $16.5 billion. Carib Cement says the performance was driven mainly by lower operating expenses as the reconstructing and efficiency improvement programs executed took effect. Net profit during the 12 months amounted to $1.15 billion. Several gas station dealers are heading to court on Friday over a dispute with the Petroleum Company of Jamaica, PETCOM. A major row has reportedly developed between PETCOM and the gas station dealers. They are upset about what is being described as PETCOM's heavy-handed approach in protecting its equipment at service stations after the dealers decided to end their contract with the company. The Supreme Court held a special sitting on Sunday to hear an application to restrain PETCOM from dismantling a gas station in New Hope, Westmoreland. The dealers have turned to the Jamaica Gasoline Retailers Association for help. According to the president of the JGRA, Philip Chung, despite the dealers' attempt to settle the matter, PETCOM, in the presence of the police, has ripped out equipment causing damages to property. He says about 40 persons are now unemployed as some gas stations have gone out of business due to the actions of PETCOM. Meanwhile, attorney for PETCOM Sean Kinghorn has shed light on what prompted the company to dismantle the equipment from some gas stations. He says when PETCOM was sold to Phoenix Fuels and Accessories more than a year ago, some gas station dealers who still had contracts with the Petroleum Company of Jamaica started doing business with other petroleum marketing companies. Mr. Kinghorn says Phoenix is ready to defend its actions in court, noting that the contract gave PETCOM the right to remove the equipment. In Tuesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 926 points to close at 298,018. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 49 stocks, of which 17 advanced, 28 declined, and 4 traded firm. The Junior Market Index declined by 26 points to close at 2,900. Among the winners were AMG Packaging and Paper, Burrito Investments, Cargo Handlers, Dolphin Cove, and Express Catering. Stocks declined for Berger Paints, Cable and Wireless, Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Cream, and Caribbean Producers. Stocks traded firm for 1834 Investments, Access Financial, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Radio Jamaica. Knoxford Express Services was the volume leader with over 10 million units, followed by 1834 Investments with over 2 million units and Siboney Group Limited with 970,762 units. On the foreign exchange market, the US dollar is being sold for an average $126.55. It's costing $98.33 for the Canadian dollar, while the pound sterling is being sold for $174.57 and the euro for $156.44. News in oil. Oil prices were mixed in Tuesday's trading session. Brent crude rebounded from earlier losses after hitting a 2-month low as investors attempted to capitalize on recent declines in benchmark contracts. The market earlier dropped after the Paris-based International Energy Agency said global oil supply would outstrip demand this year, prompting fears that if efforts to reduce inventories would fall short of expectations. Brent crude futures were up 13 cents at $62.72 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures ended Tuesday's session down 10 cents to $59.19 a barrel. Oil prices fell in every session last week, wiping away the year's gains amid a volatile stock market. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Regional stories are next after the break.